How to fix Instagram story mention back name not showing. So if you want to fix your Instagram story mention back name not showing, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now here you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of tags and mentions. Tap on it. Make sure that you have selected to allow tags from everyone, which is on the first. After that, you need to go with the next option, which is manually approve tags. Make sure to turn this option on. Go and toggle it on. Tap on turn on. And then here you will have allow mentions from everyone. And then you can also review your tags, your pending tags or your tagged photos. Make sure that you have not selected don't allow mentions or allow mentions from people you follow. You need to go and select allow mentions from everyone. With this, your problem will be fixed and you'll be able to mention back the name, or the other people will be able to mention you in their story. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.